Right then, now much like myself, my old compressor hasn't seen much action lately, so we're going to give it a service and see how wet it is inside. So first off, make ourselves a nice work area, get on his hands and knees and have a look underneath. Now it's nice and rusty, which is ideal for a pressure vessel, and we'll get this drain plug out. Give it a good fingering. I like to call this motion checking for change in the vending machine, and that hasn't really got it dripping, so we'll stick a pokey thing in there and that gets it flowing a bit better. But as always, if you want any real flow, use a bigger tool. Once we've done that, we'll step back, survey the mess we've made, smell us fingers and realise what a dirty, horrible pig we actually are. I'll see thee.